If you're searching for a genuine Hostinger coupon code and a straightforward Hostinger review, here's exactly what you need to know. Hostinger is currently offering discounted pricing across all of its plans, and when you use my referral link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, you'll get an additional 20% referral discount automatically during sign-up. In this Hostinger review, the key strengths are speed, reliability, and simplicity. You get fast loading performance, a free domain, free SSL, daily backups, light speed servers, and the Hostinger website builder, making it easy to launch and manage your website. If prices aren't showing in your local currency, just click the flag icon in the top right corner and select your country. The pricing updates instantly. With its features and ease of use, Hostinger is often recognized as one of the best web hosting options available. So if you want to use the latest Hostinger coupon code and get the extra 20% off on all plans, tap the link below or scan the QR code.